Like so many things, the ancient Greeks were the first to look closely at something like persuasion and document the basic strategies that work. Aristotle's book On Rhetoric has stood the test of time and outlines 3 ways that a speaker can appeal to an audience. These have become known as Aristotle's modes of persuasion. The first mode is logos, which appeals to logic. Here, the explainer uses facts and figures to back up claims. Persuasion is accomplished through information and data. The second mode is ethos, which appeals to the ethics, authority, or credibility of the explainer. Here, the speaker persuades others by building trust in their character. This could mean using only credible sources, disclosing biases and criticisms, and communicating with integrity. The third mode is pathos, which appeals to the audience's emotions. Here, the explainer persuades by connecting to the audience's needs, values, and emotions. Let's look at a few examples that will help you think through what will work best for your audience and situation. Imagine that you are a science writer, and your goal is to explain a new and controversial idea that could make waves in your scientific community. You know the audience well and anticipate that they will question 2 things. The first is the data behind your claims. That's logos. Second, they'll question your credibility to answer and present those data. That's ethos. Knowing this, you can be sure to address these concerns in your paper so that your audience will be more persuaded to care about your ideas. Or imagine that you work for a nonprofit and your job is to help raise money to support the organization's cause. You often speak at conferences, and your goal is to persuade people to volunteer and give money. The conference attendees are your audience. You anticipate the attendees asking themselves, "Do I care about this enough to volunteer or give money?" Which is pathos. And, "Is the organization having an impact? How do I know?" That's logos. Anticipating these questions means that you can build answers into your explanation. Whatever your audience or situation, you can become more persuasive by thinking through what types of persuasion will work best for your situation.